how super smooth. Super smooth. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna add some mint pesto, garlicky mint pesto on Fusilli. Okay, so easy does it. It's a good snack. Yeah. See, normally I don't cook pasta because I'm a ketogenic guy, but sometimes it's good to show the non-ketogenic as long as it's organic and super healthy, right? Yeah. You just mix it and toss it if you want to, but I'm not going to toss it because I'm afraid to lose some not nutritious value, but I just don't want to waste it, right? Maybe flying to the moon or something. Yeah, fly me to the moon. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Right. Yeah. All right. Should be good to go. So the moment of truth. The tasting time. Okay. Ooh, it's so hot outside. Yeah. Because I put on the Japanese, clay pot. This one is designed for the hot pot, so that, I can put on a bone china, but I just want this pasta to stay hot much as possible. Okay, so anyway, it's up to you. So I know it may not be presentable, but I'd rather do this way because I don't want the pasta is getting cold, like ice cube. Okay, so. Cheers. Here. Amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Very garlicky, minty. I've already detoxed myself by eating this. Yeah. And mint and garlic, you combine, makes even better, disease fighting food. Okay, so you can Google that up, or you can double check with independent medical sources. All right, and I'm sorry I've been eating in front of you like this, but it's a privilege. Okay, so minty, very minty, healthy Fusilli. Okay. If you'd like, please don't hesitate to subscribe and enjoy. Bye.